Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to Shift Q in Dota 2. Shift Q lets you chain multiple commands so your hero acts automatically, which helps with efficiency and clean execution. In-game, hold the Shift key while issuing commands. For example, Shift plus move, then Shift plus attack, then Shift plus ability.
Like the wind!
Your hero will perform those actions in order without needing extra inputs. You can also see what actions are in queue here.
Well said! Haste!
This is useful for things like picking up runes, stacking camps, or blinking then casting spells instantly. For example, I'll cast Ball Lightning then Shift Q my second and first skill,
It's time! Looking for me! Looking good!
and that's how to Shift Q in Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.